Hi guys, I hope you guys are staying safe. Gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to fix inner tubes on bikes. As more of you are riding, I guess in this time you're gonna need to know how to do this, because my daughter's bike's just got another puncture. So I was lucky enough to get hold of an inner tube. Didn't have any. One of my mates came and dropped one to the house, as I wasn't able to get to Halford today because they shut at 5 o'clock, so I wasn't going to make it today. But yeah, so going to quickly show you how to do this. Right, so we've just got a brand new inner tube out of the packet. So what you want to do is, when you first get it out, it's going to be quite flat. You want to put a little bit of air in so you can get the shape of the inner tube to be perfect, like that. And you'll have the valve which will go through the wheel. Now, some people like to thread it through here and then put the tyre over, but I find that when you do that, you end up with tyre pinch. It's where the tyre sometimes sits on the actual inner tube, which actually makes it split. So what I like to do is put the inner tube through the tyre like this. Yeah, like that. Make sure it's all flush. It's got not any kinks like that. You want it all flush. So when you look all around, it's all flush inside. Then what you want to do is get your rim. Yeah. And you're going to look around firstly to make sure that all of these spoke tops have not split the actual rim tape. Now, rim tape is what covers the screw heads. So what you want to do is find where the hole is for the valve, put the valve into the hole like that, then you want to push down. Yeah, make sure you've got some. And then what you want to do is go right around and push it onto the rim. Yeah. So you can see, and you want to pull the rim, you want to pull the valve so it's flush. Yeah, so there's no kink to it. Yeah. So just pushing on the other side of the tyre. Yeah. So that's done. Right. Then you want to get some air. Well, first of all, actually, once you've undone your brakes, come closer, Phoenix, to this. Once you've undone your brakes, your two brake pads will open up, which will allow you to slide on the tyre. Okay. And then what you want to do is just to make sure, before you tighten up the nuts on it, you're going to put some air into the tyre to make sure that everything's okay. Now, on these 26-inch tyres, I usually put about 45 psi. Okay, so that feels perfect. Yeah. So that's it. It's all done. Now, I've put a new inner tube on. 1 second, Phoenix. Put a new inner tube on because if you look at that, it's gone. This is a gone inner tube. It's been gone for quite a while, so not too many repairs on that. So yeah, that is how I've changed the tyre in a couple minutes. So now it's just time to tighten this up using a socket wrench if you've got one. Yeah, and then what you want to do is you want to push your brakes together now, and then you want to take a tool like that. You're literally just going to screw that nut tighter. Yeah, and that is it. My daughter is good to go riding again with me. Take care, guys. Bye.